So some causes of inflammation and what happens when your body gets inflamed. Leaky gut. Leaky gut is definitely something that happens. You might not have heard this term, or you might have heard this term, but it happens when we consistently eat foods that inflame our body. It creates a gap within the intestinal mucosa, which allows foods to seep through, and then we have a histamine response or an inflammatory response. And over time, if we keep repeating that, the inflammation grows, and chronic inflammation leads to chronic disease, and a lot of autoimmune diseases out there too as well. Bacterial imbalances too as well. There's good bacteria in our stomach lining and in our gut, just as well as there's bad bacteria. And if we don't get that balance right, then we start to see some things break down. So taking antibiotics, doing those kind of things can actually take away too many good bacteria and lead to an imbalance, which then causes inflammation within the body. Histamine intolerances as well. So the more you eat certain foods, the more that triggers that histamine, the more it causes an intolerance within the body and causes more inflammation. And then last, we have a yeast overgrowth. I talk about this a lot in my practice. Candida. Candida is definitely one of the contributing factors to why people can't lose weight, but it's also a contributing factor why we see a lot of chronic joint pain and all kinds of other symptoms that come along with Candida. Candida is caused by usually too many carbohydrates, refined sugars, even antibiotics lead to Candida. Candida over time will lead to chronic inflammation, and chronic inflammation can lead to disease.